Welcome back to our channel. Today we will give some exercise tips for type 2 diabetes. Exercise is an important part of managing type 2 diabetes. It can help improve blood sugar control, increase insulin sensitivity, and lower the risk of complications associated with diabetes. Here are some exercise tips for type 2 diabetes. Wait. Before starting video, I introduce you with Glucofort, which will help you to manage blood sugar level naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Number 1. Choose the right type of exercise. Activities like walking, jogging, swimming, and cycling can help improve cardiovascular fitness and lower blood sugar levels. If you're new to exercise, start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. This can help prevent injury and make it easier to stick with your routine. Number 3. Aim for consistency. Consistency is key when managing diabetes through exercise. Try to exercise regularly, aiming for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise per week. Number 4. Monitor blood sugar levels. Check your blood sugar levels before and after exercise. This will help you understand how different activities affect your blood sugar and make adjustments as needed. Number 5. Be mindful of hypoglycemia. If you take medication that can cause low blood sugar, hypoglycemia, be prepared. Carry a source of fast-acting carbohydrates like glucose tablets or juice with you during exercise in case your blood sugar drops too low. Number 6. Warm up and cool down. Start your exercise session with a warm-up and finish with a cool down to prevent injury and help your body transition in and out of exercise mode. Number 7. Get support. Consider exercising with a friend or joining a diabetes support group or fitness class. This can help you stay motivated and accountable. Are you ready to manage low blood sugar level at home naturally? Click link in the video description below. If you found this review helpful, please keep this video in thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe my channel.